Hello, fellow Rosarians. Thank you for joining me today. I went on Paul Zimmerman's Rose Tour, and one of the stops that we made was David Austin in England, and I saved all of my money. I told my husband, this is where I'm going to be spending all of my money, at David Austin, and I was shocked that, I was thinking I want a t-shirt, a mug, pens, an apron that says David Austin. I don't know. I just want to be reminded that I was actually there. And so I'm going to show you the shop, but I want to give you a heads up. David Austin doesn't have in their shop any David Austin labeled products. And when I asked Paul Zimmerman about it, I said, what in the world? I was going to spend all my money here and they don't have anything. And he said, that's a U.S. thing. In the U.S., we put Ralph Lauren, we put Polo, we put whatever name we have on products. In the U.K., they're much more reserved, and they don't do that. So they did not put David Austin on any of their products. So this is for the executives here at David Austin in the U.S. You've got a market that you can fill here. Please put some things on your website that we can buy that say David Austin, because I know I want it, and I'm sure I'm not the only geek out there that would have bought things that said David Austin on them. But let's go ahead and go shopping, and I'll share with you what I did find in their store. Gertrude Jekyll. Lots of Gertrude. Woolerton Old Hall down here. The Pilgrim. The Albrington Rambler. Mary Delaney. Beautiful standards. I have not seen Bosco Bell as a standard. This is really beautiful. I hope that you enjoyed shopping with me. It's really too bad that I couldn't bring any roses back with me. I think I would get stop in customs. No plant material is allowed to come through, which makes sense. You don't want any of England bugs coming over to the US without being inspected and vice versa. So I respected that and I didn't bring anything here. So thanks so much. I'll see you in the next one.